my name is Jake at Brookhaven Farms. Today we're going to be unrolling some hay out on our fields for our cows. There's a lot of benefits to unrolling hay on your pasture. It helps your soil and it helps absorb water. Also, if you have all your animals eating out of a bale ring, it gets muddy and nasty underneath, less soil compaction. And plus, when you got a lot of animals like we do, when you have just one bale ring, not everybody can get around there and get them a bite to eat. So come along with us as we unroll some hay. We can show you how we do it. We can show you how much our cows love it. So come on, follow us. Let's do this.
Got a little bit of a sharper knife. You might think a farmer would have a sharper knife. Maybe one day. I don't know, but this is some pretty good hay. You cut your net wrap off. And you just go over here. That's what I like to do. I like to pull it from this side. If I can't get it off, what I'll do is I'll just undo it here. Give yourself some slack. Pull up, unhook it, lock it back, push the bale off while pulling on your net. Well, it ain't gonna come, so we'll get it after we unroll it.
Hey guys, thanks for coming along with us and today and helping us feed our cattle. We unroll hay every day for our cattle, just like you guys have seen. You know, I got a question. How do you guys feed your cattle where you're at in your part of the country? Do you guys unroll your hay? Do you guys feed bale rings? Do you have other ways that maybe I don't know about? Well, drop it down in the comments how you feed your cattle. Drop it down in the comments if you like our cattle. Let us know. God bless. Hope you guys have a great Monday, and I'll catch you on the next one.